When tire pressure adjustment is necessary in passenger car tires, the Viair 85P portable compressor is a perfect solution. The 85P is capable of filling standard passenger car tires to a maximum working pressure of 60 psi. To use, simply plug the power port adapter into your 12-volt power port and start your engine. Connect the tire chuck to the valve stem of the tire you wish to inflate and turn the compressor on. You can monitor tire pressure by the air pressure gauge on top of the unit. To check tire pressure, turn the compressor off and note the tire pressure on the gauge.